Cubs taught the dinosaurs how to rock and roll.
You're the one that brought us together. You saw something in us that we didn't, and you saw the good we could do with our talents.
I have given you nothing to revere. I will betray you all when the opportunity arises.
Stay off our turf! Everyone can be cool at Camp Cool Kids.
You cockbiting fucktard.
Look, you don't understand. Edgar is the one in the hole.
Oh no! I'm the teeth-killing fucktard!
Psychoanalyses for everyone!
Though technically human female, I prefer to identify as elfkin.
You know, I really will break his legs.
You guys really are the worst superheroes ever.
God, I hate this generation.
He deserves to suffer.
You're still on fire, BT Dubs.
Who's ready to fight for their lives?
None of you scallywags will be causing problems anymore, now that I be wielding this.
Tiny mini-skirts!
Dick, move.
I want all the fish.
Struck out on the Philosopher's Stone again, huh?
I'm Yang, let's fight!
Code names. Who is leading this team?
You are not the brightest banana in the bunch, are you, kid?
Wow, that is racist.
Oh, shit. That's not good.
Okay, fine. Go team.
Men, it appears our shitty fortifications aren't meeting my ridiculous standards.
I've never been so excited!
They bring only disease and famine.
You're not getting paid the full amount. You're lucky you're getting paid at all.
Let's go eat heaps of dessert.
Soon you'll dance with the Grim Reaper.
God damn it, Barb!